Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Easter surprise fold. Now, to begin with this, we want to take our paper and we just want to fold it in half. So I'm just going to take it like this, line up the edges, and then just fold it right down the edge. Then you want to take your paper and you want to just fold it down like this. So just take it, fold it down to the edge. And then that way you have something that can open up like this, or you can turn it this way and open it up. Your choice. Now we're going to do a little Easter surprise fold. So we're going to make a little egg. So I'm going to start right here in the middle, right above the fold, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up, a little bit of a point, and then it's going to come down. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down. And then it's just going to come right to about here. Just kind of form the little egg shape. Now, so when I open it up, I have this little egg. It's like I have a big sad face and a big smiley face. Now, the first thing you want to do whenever you're doing a surprise fold is you want to make sure that your details aren't showing through here or here. So what I want to do is I want to make the lines of this egg a little bit taller. So I'm going to make the lines come up quite a bit. And then same thing here. I'm going to make these lines come down quite a bit. Just so I don't have anything that runs in there. So that way when I close it up, you can see the egg. Then I have these extra lines. They're just a little bit extra long. Now, we want to make it look like this egg has hatched open. So you just want to make a little zigzag pattern that goes all the way across from one side to the next. If you want to try to match it up on here, that's fine, but I'm just going to keep it pretty simple. So just a little zigzag line here and then a little zigzag line right there. Now, I want to have a little chick popping out of here. And we're just going to keep this chick really, really simple. So what I'm going to do is up here, we're going to draw the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a big kind of oval shape, just like this. Now, starting right here underneath the oval, you see I left that middle open. I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's just going to kind of curve back in. And then same thing over here, just go out and then just kind of curve back in. Those are going to be his little wings. Then right here, I'm going to make a little line that curves down and then a little line that curves down. Now, starting here, we want to make the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a circle, and I'm going to color in everything but just a little bit of white on there. And then same thing over here. Circle, just kind of color everything in, but a little bit of white. Make this one just a little bit bigger so the eyes match up better. Now, right in here, I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to curve like this. Kind of looks like a little sad face. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it down and then up like this. Then I'm going to draw a little line that just goes down and up. And then I'm going to make a little line that goes right around it. Then I'm just going to color this part in. Now over here in the corner of the head, I'm just going to draw two little bumps for a little bit of feathers in there. And then I'm going to add two little lines right above here for some little eyebrows. Now, I want to make a couple little things popping out of here. So I'm just going to draw some little shapes for like some little jelly beans popping out. So I'm just going to make these little lines. It's like a little curve, and they're a little rounded on the ends. And you're just going to kind of put these all over the place. So I'm just going to put these little jelly beans kind of all over. You want to make sure that they're not kind of poking out when you have this covered. So make sure you kind of keep them in this area right here. So we're just going to kind of throw some of these all over the place. Kind of put them wherever you want to. You don't have to. This is just a little bit of an extra thing just to kind of make it kind of fun. And then I'll put one more right over here. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to fold this back up real quick, and then I want to add a little bit of detail onto our Easter egg. So I'm just going to make a little wavy pattern that just goes right across our Easter egg. And I want to make sure that I don't touch this fold here. So I'm just going to keep this one, let it get really close. And then I'm just going to do the same thing here. I'm just going to kind of continue this pattern down all the way until I get to the bottom. Now, when I open it up, I still got some space in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of continue this pattern here. And then I'm just going to do one stripe that just kind of stays right above that line. So that way it won't interfere with anything. But there you go. There is your drawing of a little surprise fold Easter chick. So when you've got it all closed up, you've got your nice little egg right here. And then when you open it up, you've got your little chick popping out and their little jelly beans shooting everywhere. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.